Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss what is Shopify and why you should use it to create your store. Well, the first idea we should be discussing is what is Shopify. Shopify is a subscription-based online software that you can use to build your store, which means that in order to use Shopify, you need to pay a monthly fee. Now, why Shopify is, in my opinion, the best platform you can ever use? Well, there are so many reasons that make Shopify your best option to build an online store. However, in my opinion, the most important reason is how easy it is. To use Shopify, you just need to sign up. This is it. You don't need any other complicated skill or something else. You just sign up and this is it. You start using Shopify. Now let me name more of the reasons of why, in my opinion, Shopify is the best platform to create your e-commerce store. Let's start with the first reason, and it is that Shopify hosts your website. I'm not sure if you are familiar with WordPress, but in the case of WordPress, for example, you need a third-party host to host your website. In Shopify, you don't need this. Everything is hosted on Shopify, so you just sign up and you start working. The second thing is Shopify gives you a clear and smooth dashboard to modify your store. And here you have to know something. Shopify is a software that's meant to create stores. However, WordPress is a software that's meant to create any kind of websites, which means that everything in Shopify is meant and organized in order to help store owners. However, this is not the case with WordPress, because WordPress is meant for any kind of websites. That's why while you are using Shopify, you will notice that everything is in place in order to help you, because Shopify is dedicated for store owners like you. In addition to that, Shopify offers many free and paid adjustable themes to design your store. And all of the themes provided by Shopify are mobile friendly, which makes your work way easier. Fourth, Shopify lets you add an infinite number of products and gives you an infinite data storage capacity, so you don't have any problem with your data capacity. In addition to that, also Shopify offers you site stats and product reports. When you are running your e-commerce business, it's very important that you always keep monitoring your numbers, and Shopify gives you the ability to do that using the Shopify Analytics dashboard. For sure, I recommend you to add Google Analytics to your store. However, what Shopify offers is very good because Shopify gives you a lot of information related to your store. For example, the conversion rate, the returning customers, the costs, the orders, everything. So inside of Shopify Analytics, you will find a lot of important numbers that will help you run your business in the best way possible. Also, Shopify offers a wide range of free and paid apps that make your store stand out. So, for example, if you want to add something to your store and this feature that you want to add is not included inside of your store theme, you can always go and pick an app that does that. And there are many free and paid apps on the Shopify App Store, and many of them are highly reviewed, so you can know that you are adding a good app to your store. Also, Shopify offers a very simple integration with Facebook and Google channels, which means just by few clicks you will be able to have a Facebook shop and an Instagram shop and a Google shop. Just few clicks, nothing complicated, because Shopify has a lot of direct integration with these platforms. And finally, Shopify is a quick-to-go platform, which means in just few hours you can create your own store, and this is it. Now, let's discuss what we are going to learn in this course. In this course, I will walk you step by step through how to use your store, through how to use Shopify to build your store. Even if this is your first time working online, you will find everything you need to do in order to create an awesome store using Shopify. Just follow my instructions and everything would be very clear. Now discussing the Shopify pricing plans. As I told you before, there are different pricing plans, and each plan is different depending on how big your store is and all of these details. We have the basic Shopify plan, which is $29 per month, the Shopify, this one, which is $79 per month, and we have the advanced Shopify, which is $299 per month. It depends on your business, and you can check the different options of these pricing plans on the Shopify website. However, if you are just starting out and you are new to this, I guess the basic plan would be more than enough. And always remember that with Shopify, you get a 14 days free trial. So go to the description, click on the Shopify link, get a 14 days free trial with Shopify and start building your store for free. And after the 14 days, you will start worrying about paying for Shopify. You have to know something, that this trial, the 14 days free trials, come without even entering your credit card information. So you don't need to worry about anything. So this is it for this lecture. I hope it gave you a good idea about why you should be using Shopify. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Shopify and how to start working with it. So stay tuned and meet me there.